Okay, so to answer this question as quickly as possible, the question being, can I sue Robinhood for not allowing me to continue to buy and sell GameStop and BlackBerry and Nokia and Bed Bath and Beyond? Well, guess what, guys? You probably signed into Robinhood and you never even read the goddamn contract. I'm fairly certain you did it because most people, when they want to get into one of these social medias or services or apps, they jump right in. They never read the contract. There's always a terms of service contract. Do you think this is the first time this happened? They were stopping people from trading after 9/11. This is not the first time this happened. Do you think you're the first people to try to sell or buy a security and be stopped by the trading platform, whatever that might be, whether it's on the internet or not? Restricts, let me read it for you since I know some of you have been homeschooled so long that you can't fucking read. And I also know that some of you haven't read anything in so long because you've been playing video games and sitting at home watching television for a long time. I know that a lot of you can't read. I also know that a lot of you, you can't even sign your name because you didn't learn cursive writing. I'll read it for you. Restrictions on trading. I understand that Robinhood may, in its discretion, prohibit or restrict the trading of securities or the substitution of securities in any of my accounts. I understand that Robinhood may execute all orders by me on any exchange or market, unless I specifically instruct Robinhood to the contrary. In the event of a breach or default by me under this agreement, Robinhood shall have all the rights and remedies available to a secured creditor under all applicable laws, and in addition to the rights and remedies provided herein. I understand that Robinhood may at any time, at its sole discretion and without prior notice to me, 1. Prohibit or restrict my access to the use of the app or the website or related services and my ability to trade. Number 2. Refuse to accept any of my transactions. Number 3. Refuse to execute any of my transactions. Or, number 4, terminate my account. The closing of my account will not affect the rights or obligations of either party incurred prior to the date my account is closed. Further, Robinhood will not tolerate any foul or abusive language, i.e. hate speech. That's what they want to call it at MSNBC. Physical violence. I'm going to storm the Capitol. Threatening behavior. I'm going to bring a gun and shoot your ass if you fuck with my account. Or other inappropriate conduct directed toward Robinhood, its affiliates, officers, employees, contractors, or customers. If I engage in any such behavior as determined by Robinhood in its sole discretion, I agree that Robinhood is authorized to, number 1, liquidate any securities, instruments, or other property in my account. Number 2, send me the proceeds. Number 3, close my account. Robinhood will not be responsible for any losses caused by the liquidation of securities, instruments, or other property pursuant to this paragraph, including any tax liabilities. Now, before I close, since I felt I just had to read that, this terms of service and contract is case closed. If I don't even have to go to law school to stand there for about 5 minutes to say, well, Your Honor, the dumbass who's standing there, the plaintiff, the dumbass plaintiff, he signed this terms of service when he opened an account with Robinhood, did he not? Excuse me, sir, is this your signature here? Is this your digital signature? Well, I know you're too fucking dumb to sign your name, so did you print your name right here? Is this you? And you'll read it and you'll say, oh, yes, that's me. My name is Bubba Tarley. Oh, Mr. Bubba Tarley. Well, you do realize that when you signed the contract, paragraph 16 pretty much already said you're fucked, right? And at that point, you nod your head and then Judge Judy looks at you and says, you're stupid. Get out of my courtroom for wasting the court's time.